DFG Science TV, a polar climate archive. Drilling in the Arctic, climate research for the future.
The drilling at Lake Elgigitgin. So far, everything is still going well. The researchers are filling the boxes with cores and sample containers. They've got a good recovery, almost 100%. Soon they'll be able to fly the first core boxes out to Pevek. But after 3 days, the drilling comes to a standstill. At depths of 70 meters and more below the lake bed, the mud is very hard, and the proportion of sand and gravel in the sediment increases too. The team switches to a different drilling system in order to be able to drill deeper. The core recovery drops right down to 0 in 2 of the sequences. The researchers want to drill right down to the bedrock. They had planned to go as deep as 600 meters, but at just 148 meters the drill pipe twists off in the sediment and is impossible to pull out again. Look, that's the thread. It's really badly damaged. I just had another look. We'd been drilling through some coarse gravel and sand just before it broke, so I suspect there's a connection. Yes, first of all I thought it must be because the casing wasn't properly anchored in the sediment the first time, and then flapped around. But now I agree with you. Having looked at the plots of the sediment's physical properties that we measured on the cores in the field. There, you can see that we were evidently in coarse sediment where it sheared off the first time, which would back up your theory. Now that the drill pipe twisted off in the second drill hole too, they've got a serious problem. Without spare parts, which are in Salt Lake City, they're unable to continue. The situation seems hopeless, but the project leaders don't give up. After long discussions and lots of telephone calls to 3 different continents, they can finally see a way of getting hold of the spare parts they need. Although nobody knows if or when the parts will be delivered, the Russian members of the team are optimistic. Now they need to make the necessary preparations and wait. But even at the end of the world, you can always find something to do. The crew tries to make the best of the situation by building an igloo. Snugly tucked up in 2 sleeping bags, Yulia spends the night in it. Quite an adventure, even though she didn't spot any wolves near the camp. Time passes. The nights are getting shorter and shorter, the days are getting warmer. The researchers hope that help will arrive soon so that they can still achieve their goals. Will the spare parts arrive in time so that they can continue drilling?
Visit DFG Science TV for more information. Awaken the researcher within you.